Wear a mask.
Democratic presidential nominee Joe Biden is unequivocal.
We need a clear message from the very top of our federal government that everyone needs to wear a mask in public.
But the president himself, who doesn't like to be seen wearing a mask, is perhaps more inconsistent.
I'm all for masks. I think masks are good. I would wear, if I were in a group of people.
Though his press secretary insists
it's the personal choice of any individual as to whether to wear a mask or not.
Democrats and Republicans with two contrasting views about how to stop the pandemic, polarizing the United States even more.
The pandemic has become so politicized here in the United States that even the simple gesture of wearing a mask has become partisan. A survey by the Pew Research Center found that Democrats are more likely than Republicans to wear a face mask all or most of the time, and it's the most conservative Republicans who are least likely to wear one.
And health leaders appear to be taking the brunt of this polarization due to the decisions they're making. The death threat started last month during a live public briefing when someone suggested that I should be shot, said Barbara Ferrer, the director of the Los Angeles County Department of Public Health. Other public health officials have been confronted at home, prompting some to quit, according to Laurie Trammell Freeman, whose organisation represents them.
They're giving public health advice that extremists and other activists don't believe in. They believe that the public health advice that's being given is actually an attempt to thwart your personal freedom.
Orders to wear a mask in places where COVID-19 is spiking has only incensed protesters more, even though a Republican governor issued the statewide order in Texas. And early doubts about the effectiveness of homemade or non-medical masks may have contributed to some of the current defiance.
In public health, we have to do a better job of explaining that this is a new disease and that we're learning as we go and that the science and data is always a little bit behind us.
But if President Trump is sending mixed messages about wearing a mask, his vice president,
wearing a mask is just a good idea.
And even some Republican lawmakers are now urging the public to put one on. Owen Fairclough, CGTN, Washington.